It's right up here on the overlap. Step all the way forward. Continue to move all the way down. All the way down.
She said it says take the stairs.
Oh, take the stairs.
Oh, right there.
You've been standing inside your car.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Please exit left on the hallway to the maintenance service elevator. Ask the next one. How many you want That's fine.
I can picture that.
Hold on, any other hands? Perfect. All right, again, just for a moment or two, both hands up, all the way up. Like Hardy? Both hands all the way up. Perfect. If anybody has any complaints, that guy in the back is driving.
Fair enough.
So I'm just gonna hold on just in case.
You were the passengers in the post-common elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone.
Why y'all like this?
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare.
We're going down.
That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you.
I don't think elevators were supposed to do that, gang.
Beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the
Is this it?
Tower of Terror.
Okay.
I really hope this isn't one of those elevators that like drops randomly out.
This is awesome! I love Is it done? Yes? Okay.
Yeah, that was good. Bro, who gave us the deluxe experience? Shut up, that guy's
Ooh.
That's good. That's fine.
The falling right away is mandatory because I thought we were going to go up. That was you.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it.
Definitely
And a
glad you
friendly
told me to hold on.
Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
If I got a I liked it. It did get my adrenaline going though, for sure. Oh my goodness. I would not have been able to hold 2 devices. There's no way.